Understanding derived facts. Let's look at our data set again. When we talk about derived facts, again, it's a fact and it is derived, which means it does not exist originally in the data. What could be a derived fact in this data set? We see that for any given order, there is an order date and there is a shipment date. And there is also a shipment mode, which is either regular air, delivery truck, or express air. This means that if somebody opts for express air, the order will be shipped very quickly. So the delay between the time order was placed and the order was shipped should be minimum. But in the case of a delivery truck, which is a low priority order, the order could be shipped a little late also. So how about getting to know the average duration between the order date and ship date? I can do that because I know order date and ship date, and all I need to do is to calculate the duration, which will be ship date minus order date, and this is giving me the outcome in days. So let me put this in as number, right? So we are getting the difference in days. So here there is no difference because it's the same date. Here it is the difference 7 days. So here it is being shown as 7. This is one example of a derived fact. Another example of derived fact could be, say, profit margin, right? So given a city, what is the profit margin by city? What is the profit margin by state? What is the profit margin by, say, customer segment or ship mode or product category? In that case, what do we do is, for any dimension or perspective by which we would like to look at a fact, we first get the calculation right. So what would be the calculation or formula for profit margin? For any dimension, profit margin will be sum total of the profits versus sum total of the sales. What I'll do is, let me quickly insert a pivot table and say I want to calculate the profit margin by product subcategory. So I'll drag product subcategory here, I'll drag profit here, and I'll drag sales here. So by subcategory, I know the sum of profit and sum of sales. Let me take this separately in another sheet, and I calculate the margin as profits by sales, drag down and convert that to percentage. This is what we have as the profit margin. This is another example of derived fact. So it's any metric which is applicable to the business, which could be derived from existing columns in the dataset.